Okay, we're going to be testing for fats, and this test is not as clearly obvious as the others, so it's going to be a little bit of a judgment call here. So they tell you to take 5 milliliters of your sample. I just have distilled water, and then I'm going to add some vegetable oil for my fat. So I'm going to put in several drops of vegetable oil, which will probably be, or could be, more fat than you'll have in your stomach content, but let's just put some in for our lab purposes here. We can see the fat sitting on top of the distilled water. As we know, oil and water don't mix. I'm now going to add my stain, which this does stain, so you want to keep it off your skin, off your clothes. It's not toxic, but it's certainly not something that we want all over the place. And I'm going to add at least 5 or 6 drops. I actually added 8 drops, but it's just a guesstimate there. And then I'm going to take a stopper and shake up my tube. And now what we should see happen as this settles is there is a reddish pink line on the top. And it is slightly different looking than the control with no oil, just the dye. So it's difficult to see, but it does give you a red line that shows that there's something floating above the red line and the dye is in between. So again, not the best test, but in case your sample is well mixed, it will force the oil to the top and you will see a slight pink line there indicating that fats are present.